Time to eat this mama. First time. Buo. First time. First time. What's your name?
Danny.
Danny. Danny, 2 more to go. Para sa... Sarap! Mura lang yan. Isang parang $22.
£1 and
First time to eat this mama. First time. Let's eat. This is a steal. Only $19. Yung special nila. Buo. First time. First time ako kakain. First time. Sarap. I don't know how to eat this. Kasi nakukuha ko yung utol na. Tapos meron pa. May ganyan. May bread. Pala umorder akong rice. And potato chips. Sarap. Paano natin ito pidirahan? Please. Thank you, Lord, sa lobster na ito. Salamat, Lord. Salamat, Lord. Makakain tayo ng ganito buo. I don't know how to eat this, but kunyari, ano lang siya. Oh my God, this is nice. Ang taba. Ako. Ay, saya. Mura. Kasi may promo. Buti na lang. Kasi I'm supposed to start with a new job. May onboarding ako. Hindi ko makita. As in, I could not find it. I've been going around for the past 1 hour and a half. Tapos nakita ko dito. We ate here. We ate here. 2 years ago. When I first came to the US. Tinreat kami ni Tito Ferdy dito. Nalagyan natin itong ano. Natin. Sarap. Ay, sarap. Ang laman niya. Very good. First time to eat yung lobster na buo. Ito coleslaw. Good. And may brioche. Wala palang laman yun. Yun na yun. Kaya ito pala yun. Hindi ko alam kung pagkain dito. Ano ba pagkain dito? I don't know how to eat lobster. Kasi lobster ko yung mga... Yes! Good, good. Oh my gosh! Ito yung binabayaran dito. Lagyan natin butter. Di kasawap. Okay lang, hindi ko napuntahan yung dapat kong puntahan. Naligaw ako. Dito ako napuntahan. Ito ba lalagay ito? Ha? Very good. This is really good. May pogi din kanina. Pogi. Kasi platter to eh. 1995 platter sa buo na. Kaya lang kasi special eh. Taon lang. Pero kung regular ano ito na $25, 26. Good. Sabi ang sarap. Thank you. Ang galad. Ayaw tayo ng ganito. Hindi ko lang alam painin. Marami itong sipit-sipit. Kasi di ba pag nakakain na ng lobster, yung ano na, nakahimay na. Hindi buong ganito. Dapat pala pinakrak ko ng konti. Hindi marunong. Paano ba ito kainin? Tutuklawin na ako nito. Hindi pa nakawawa. Uwi natin. Yun. Dapat onboarding ako doon sa trabaho. Pangalawa. Lang. Hindi ko makakita talaga. Ikot ako ng ikot. Isang oras, sige. Hindi siya siguro men. Tinawag ako ni HR. Hindi pa rin. Dito. Hindi na sa butter. Firefly butter. Ang sarap. Ito hindi ko mabuksan. Uwi natin. Tapos mag-order ako for them. Para matikman naman nila. Ano pa $22 may buo ka ng lobster. May biscuit pa. Oh, this is
me.
Yeah.
Oh, you're saying.
Hello, what's your name?
Danny.
Danny. Danny is so nice. He helps
I'm
me.
the manager here at New England.
Oh,
Lobster, yes. Been
really?
here 13 years.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I thought you're the owner.
I'm not the owner.
I thought you're the one on the video.
I am the one on the videos, but no, I'm the one that does all the marketing and stuff.
Oh,
so,
yeah, you're good.
Thank you.
So, what I just ate, because I usually eat the scraps, and now it's my first time to eat the whole.
yeah, so what you saved is good too. You can make soup with it. You can
Really?
do a stock. Yeah,
Oh.
A lot of people, they save the shells. And the
Really?
heads,
Oh,
all that.
I did not know that.
Yeah.
So what I'll do right now, I'll buy 2 more for the folks at home so they could enjoy.
You can't beat it. $20.
And yeah, really. Yeah,
Deal.
it's a great deal. I'm glad. I miss my I miss my appointment, and because when I was new here, just 2 weeks, my cousin brought us here, and we ate here. They always eat here.
Good, good.
Yeah, and they order it online.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you,
Thank you. What was your name?
Aurora.
Danny.
Danny, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll see you soon.
Ngayon, second, bili tayo ulit. Kasi itong special nila, lobster special. Ito yung in-order natin. We will order this one. We will order 2 more to go para sa ating mga sabahan sa bahay. Aurora and Danny. Danny is so kind. Okay, so 2 more. Nasa lift tayo ngayon. Ayan. Kasi hindi tayo marunong mag-drive. So, ganda na sasakyan ni Kuya. Santa Fe. Ganda ng bagong Santa Fe.
Pero le están organizando, pues se supone que es una sorpresa, ¿no? A no ser que le digan a mi tía, oye tía, no, pero si le voy a decir a mi tía va a dar su lista y mi tía va a
Dito
llamar.
tayo bandang airport.
No va a ser sorpresa, entonces mi tía va a invitar.
This is our neighborhood. Ayan yung Walgreens. Ito yung... Tapos may bundok. May bundok dun. Hello! Nandito na tayo sa bahay. Siyempre, nagdala ako ng masarap. Tingnan natin. Sint. Ito, baon. Kasi, ito. Daddy, buksan mo, Daddy. Buksan mo yung foods natin. Buksan mo. Baka lumipad eh. Lobster. Sabi ko buti na lang naligaw ako. Doon sa kinainan natin nung bago. Ayan, 1, 2. Ang sarap. Mura lang yan. Isang parang $22. Sabi ko doon sa mama. First time ko kumain na nasa Shell na bagong kasi usually pag binibigay yung
Hindi na ako nakakain lab.
Opo. Pero inano na nila ng konti. Natulog na siya. Natulog na.